Digital Banking Administration. Let's create a new user. Click your profile. Select Business Management. Click Create User. Enter the user's name and email address. Choose their role. A user has custom permissions and account accesses, but cannot manage other users. A viewer has view-only access on specific accounts. An admin has custom permissions and account access as well as user management. Click Create User. Enter your password to authenticate. Choose which account to activate for the user. Toggle on the account. Click Done. Click Enable Accounts. The user is now created. If no more permissions need to be set, click Send Email Invite. The user will receive a link to establish their credentials. Click Edit Permissions to set more entitlements. Select Done to save for another time. We will edit permissions now for this example. Click Set Permissions. Enable features to see more detailed options and limits. Scroll down for more. Options may vary. Click back once done. Once the overall permissions are set, you can adjust them on a per-account basis. Click back to send the invite at a later time, or click Invite once you're ready for the user to log in. The new user now appears as pending. If you sent the invite, the user will receive an email. They will click Join to set up their credentials. The user will show active once they log in. Now let's help a user who is locked out. Select the locked user. Click Unlock to reset their number of attempts. They now have 3 more attempts to log in with their existing password. You can also send them a link to reset their password instead. Other options are available on this screen. Click the ellipsis icon. Edit their profile, restrict online access, send a password reset, or delete them. Click back once done.